has gotten 4,000 views on shorts. Guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much YouTube paid me since I got monetized on 4,000 views, and how much Facebook pays me for the same amount of views on shorts. So we are going to be comparing these two videos, and I want you guys to watch to the end. And don't forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I still remain your girl, Nostrat. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are fine. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well and subscribe, turn your notification bell, so that anytime I upload teaching videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. I am not here to discourage you. I am not here to tell you that YouTube or Facebook is not a good place to do your content, but you guys should be surprised how much YouTube paid me for 4,000 views and how much Facebook paid me for 4,000 views. So you guys will know the particular one you will be so much focused on. Really, guys, there is money on YouTube. When I keep talking about money on YouTube, you guys would think that I'm joking. I am not joking.
Now let's go over to Facebook. Then we're going to go to my page, switch to my page, which is Chacha Idoko family. So I'm going to go ahead and then go to my video and look for a video that I have 4,000 views. So I'm going to click on professional dashboard to search for the video that I have 4,000 views. Let's use this particular one, this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to click on this video to check how much Facebook paid me on this particular video. Please guys, stay connected, please. I think network is bad, but let's still go back to professional dashboard, go to monetization and go to content monetization, because they have given me content monetization. So I'll go ahead and click on content monetization. It will open. So I'm going to go ahead and look for the video that have 4,000 views on my Facebook. So you guys should hold on. Let's look for the video that have 4,000 views. These are the videos I'm creating on shorts. So let's scroll down and look for this video. Okay, this one, BTS, my husband holding camera. Click on it, then it's going to open. You guys can see I have 4,930 views on this video. Look at my goodness, look at the watch time, the average minute view, the followers. I have 0 followers on this video. I have 2 shares, I have 18 likes, 3 comments. Then look at my earnings, 0.04. like seriously, for 4,900, almost 5,000 views on Facebook. Can you guys see that? So this is my traffic source. These are my followers that return to watch my video. These are my audience retention, my geographic, age and gender. These are my top countries: Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, and United States. These are the reactions. People reacted, people laughed, people gave me a thumbs up. If I tell you I'm happy, I'm not happy for this. Let's go over to YouTube to see the difference, guys. So I click out and click on YouTube. I'll go ahead and click on your videos. I'll go ahead and search for the video that have 4,000 views. I'll scroll down. I'll click on shorts, because it's on shorts that we are comparing the payment. So I'll click on shorts. I'll go ahead and look for video that have 4,000 views. So hold on, guys. So this video where I did tapping current, I think it has 4,000 views. So I'll go ahead and click on it, this particular one. So you guys can see this video are giving me 4,335 views. So we'll go ahead and go to YouTube Studio. So it's going to bring me here to my analytics. You guys can see I have 4,300 views real time from short feed, YouTube search, channel pages. These are the places there I was being recommended. The reach is actually 4,900, just like Facebook. So these are the places YouTube is suggesting, the search terms, what people search, and they will now see my video. So this is the content suggesting my shorts. So we'll now go ahead and go to engagement. Guys, hold on, you guys will be shocked on how much YouTube paid me for 4,000, the same 4,000 views. So this is my engagement. This video has gotten 21.3 watch time. You guys can see that this video has gotten 21.3 watch time. So these are my average view, 0.17. So look at my audience. People are watching through mobile, people are watching through TV, people are watching through computer and tablet. These are the ages that have watched my video so far, 13 to 17, then 80 years. You know, these are the genders, these are the country that is watching: Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana and United States, almost like Facebook. Yes, so this watch time from subscribers. Guys, if you want United States people to be watching your video, I'm going to make a video about it. Just drop your comment and tell me that you want to know how to set up your channel so that you'll be getting audience from United States. So this is the people that return to watch my videos. These are the subscribers that I made on this video. 11 subscribers. Wow, this is so amazing. 11 subscribers. Guys, finally, this is my earnings. $0.17. Now your mate 0.17. You can't use it and compare to 0.04. Imagine Facebook paying me 0.04. Like 0.04. See, I believe with these two videos that you just watched, you can now decide on the platform you will put in more effort. For me, I'll put in more effort on creating on YouTube. You know why? YouTube will give you, like, people will just watch your video and sometimes they will even send you super stickers, super stars. YouTube payment is way much bigger. Imagine Facebook paying me 0.04. 0.04 is not even 0.1 cent. Like, it's not even 0.1 cent, it's 0.04 cent for the same amount of views I got on Facebook, on YouTube. No difference. The only difference is subscribers. The country that watched me, my video on YouTube, is almost the same country that watched my video on Facebook. No difference. The only thing is the subscribers. But I got more likes on YouTube than Facebook. But at least it should have been 0.1 cent, not 0.0. Guys, you guys should check it out now. So I am not discouraging you from creating on Facebook. You, as in ego, any money na money, create your content, but focus more. Put more energy on YouTube. Put more energy on YouTube. This is the fact. If you know that you want to go far in content creating journey, if you want money as monetary aspect of content, the money part, put your efforts on YouTube. Please don't forget to share this information. I am not discouraging you, I am encouraging you, because as a content creator you have been spending your time, your data, thinking your brains out, and at the end of everything you'll be doing all sort of energy, be packing it on Facebook. Pack that energy on YouTube and see the result. This is the little I can share with you guys, and I hope that this video will help someone out there, encourage someone out there who wants to give up on their YouTube channel, that you should not give up. Instead of giving up, put in more effort. Upload daily. Make sure your video have meanings. Make sure you know your right niche, and create more of your right niche. All right, I love you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.